Alright, so here we are. We're looking up First Avenue. We're gonna walk this way. I haven't gone this way yet. See what the snow looks like up here. I mean, just for the record, there's a lot of New Yorkers that are like playing this down and saying, "Oh, you know, we get snow like this all the time." First of all, no, you don't. This was the 6th most snow ever in one day in New York City history. Second of all, I just talked to multiple people on the street in New York. I kind of wish I got them on camera, but they were just as jaw on the floor as me. I mean, look at this. Oh my god. Buses are running. Yeah. Yeah. Seems like life's getting back to normal. I mean, if we got the same amount of snow again tonight, oh, forget it. Alright. Starting to get slushy on the ground here. Alright, this seems to be plowed up. This is down 75th Street. This seems to be plowed up better than 74th was. Look at all the snow. Oh my god. Routine. Like the average, the normal is like foot and a half, 2 feet at least. And then there's areas like this coming up, 3.5. And you got cars that are buried in it. Oh. Look at you. Good night till like Saturday morning. It's sunny all day today, and this is what happened. Oh, this is salt. Get a little bit of salt on the sidewalk here. It's pretty good. Oh, look at this one. Oh my god. Get the light on there? Yeah, okay. Oh. Oh. It's like a minivan. See how much snow is out here on 75th Street. Oh my god. That is crazy. Let's look down this way. Guys are shoveling down there. Oh my god. I mean, now it's pretty, it looks pretty awesome. Pain in the ass to get around, but it looks awesome. It's not too bad. I mean, it's clear skies. Digging up the car there.
You're gonna fall in there, they're not gonna find you.
Whoa, look at this. Oh, hope you don't leave your window cracked. Ay. Ay, ay. Alright, now we're going back into a slush. Alright, that's all for now.